One of my favorite things about crocheting low sew ami is how quickly your work comes together. I mean, aside from not having a whole lot of sewing to do. For example, in my monkey Lovey pattern, we make the muzzle by going from this to this. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I did that. I just want to let you know first, I'm using weight 4 yarns and a 3.5mm crochet hook. Now, let's get crocheting.
I've already crocheted rounds 1 through 6 and the first 5 single crochets of round 7. The next step is to position the bottom and top muzzle pieces together, lining up that marked stitch on the bottom muzzle with the next stitch on the top muzzle. You're going to single crochet through both pieces over the next 10 stitches.
Okay, I needed to jump in here real quick because it's going to be really important for you to mark that last single crochet that you made when you joined those pieces together. It's going to come in handy later on in the pattern. Trust me. Let's get back to crocheting that muzzle.
In this next round, we're going to crochet around both pieces. You'll start round 8 by making a single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Then single crochet together the previously worked stitch with the next available stitch on the bottom muzzle. Then continue crocheting around the bottom muzzle over the next 13 stitches. Now single crochet together the previously worked stitch with the next available stitch on the top muzzle. You'll continue crocheting around the top muzzle by making a single crochet into the next 10 stitches. Now it's time to make the nose. Let's start with a small puff stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook one round below the next available stitch. Then yarn over and pull up a loop to the same height as your current round. Then repeat that 2 more times. Now you should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Now let's make a big puff stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook 2 rounds below the next available stitch. Yarn over and pull up a big loop to the same height of your current round, and repeat that 4 more times to get 11 loops on your hook. Then finish this off by yarning over and pulling through all the loops on your hook. Let's make another small puff stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook 1 round below the next available stitch. Then yarn over and pull up that big loop to the same height of your current round. Then repeat that 2 more times. With 7 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 7 of them. Let's end this round by putting a single crochet into the next 10 stitches. You're going to go beyond your starting point just a little. You should end at the point where the bottom and the top muzzles came together. Fasten off, leaving a 12-inch tail that will be used for sewing later on in the pattern. Don't worry about stuffing your work right now. That'll get taken care of later on in the pattern as well.
If you've already purchased the pattern, I hope this tutorial answers any question that you may have. But if you're still needing a little bit of help, just send me an email. And if you haven't purchased the pattern, I'll leave a link in the description when it becomes available. The next time, we'll be working on the arms, so come back for more. Thanks for watching.